Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's detailed video, we will explain step by step how to activate Chase Bank's credit card for international use. Almost all banks in the United States offer their own credit cards. However, not all of these credit cards are activated for international payments. If you want to use your credit card internationally, you need to activate it for international payments. Once it is successfully activated, you can make international payments whether you're in the country or abroad. So, let's understand this process step by step. To help you understand the process clearly, we have brought you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you can see a lot of articles related to banking on the right-hand side. One of these articles is titled How to Activate Chase Credit Card for International Use. When we scroll down in this article, it explains the different types of credit cards issued by Chase Bank and how they are categorized. You can read this information in detail. The link to this article is available in the description. Further down, there's a subheading titled How to Activate a Chase Credit Card for International Use. This section explains Chase Bank issues different types of credit cards and they each have specific steps for international activation. Some cards, like travel cards, Chase Sapphire Preferred and Chase Sapphire Reserve, don't need manual activation for international use. They're automatically set up for travel, but other cards, like Cashback, Business, and Balance Transfer credit cards, usually need to be activated for international use. To do this, you'll need to provide your travel details to Chase. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. 1. Log in. Open the Chase mobile app or website and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to Profile and Settings. Step 3. Go to the Travel or Manage Travel option. Step 4. Enter travel details. Fill in your travel information, including dates and countries you'll be visiting, then submit. Once you submit your travel info, you will receive a confirmation that your card is activated for international use. This ensures your card works smoothly abroad. This is how some Chase Bank credit cards do not require activation for international use, while others do. By following the method we just explained, you can easily activate your credit card for international use. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.